Here we come to the elevators at the School of Education at North Carolina Central University in Durham, North Carolina. These are US. Obviously used to have soft touch buttons. B. I wonder what kind of these fixtures these are. I've never seen these look like some sort of anti-resistant. I don't know. I don't know what kind of these fixtures these are. ThyssenKrupp phone. 3. Alright, let's go on to B. We'll switch cars. For the bell to stop ringing, and we'll close up the door. Installed in 1999. I'm going to send this up. Directional lantern's obviously been replaced. Alright, let's switch cars now. Look at this Cerberus Paratronics fire alarm pull station. This used to have like a glass cover, but it looks like it's been taken out, I think. Alright, here's this elevator car right here. 3. There's your ADA phone, which is a lot different from the other one. We got a detail cavity up here. This one's a little bit darker than the other one. I found like a good amount of old vintage elevators here on this campus, and some interesting ones. Anyways, I believe these buttons were obviously replaced at a time. I don't know what kind of fixture. These look like some sort of EPCO, like I've seen those fixtures, I believe, if I remember correctly, I think I've seen these fixtures on a northern elevator in the Carillion's garage from Andrew's older video, aka Diesel Doocy. I think, I don't remember, but I've seen those kind of fixtures before, I think, but I don't know what they are. Anyways, we're gonna go back down to B, and we'll end the video there. And we end the video back up 1. All right, we will end the video about 1. EPCO gong chime. It's gotta be EPCO. These buttons were obviously replaced out of time because I found an original soft touch US elevator at Fidelity Bank in Cary. All right, we're gonna watch it close, and that's gonna conclude our content from North Carolina Central University. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That'll be it.